Alright, so the engine's been reassembled and picked up on the hoist. And we're going to put it on the engine stand. Finish the reassembly there. Oh, I think here comes Phil. Yay, we can start doing stuff now. Hooray.
Yeah, but there's what's left of your coffee.
Oh, did it fall over in the truck?
I dropped it.
You son of a
Going through the gate just
fucking bitch. Now I gotta go to Tim Hortons again.
Shit happens, right?
That sucks.
Don't film this.
Film what I want. Alright, why don't you give me a breakdown on what's been done here so far?
We did as many gaskets and seals as we could get at without taking the engine completely apart. Rear main seal conversion. Got rid of the oil slinger and put in the rear main seal thing. All the gaskets we could get at. Oil pan gasket, head valve cover gasket. We've got a new distributor.
We didn't do the head gasket though, right?
No, because make good compression.
If it fails, I don't think it's that difficult to change in the car anyway.
No, we got the whole kit, so if we have to, we can do it. So we're gonna run it on the stand, check and make it dial it all in because we got the carbs all nicely done, rebuilt, nicely cleaned. New distributor. Fuel pump doesn't work, but we're going to use the electric one. That's just there to stop the oil from leaking. All cleaned up, everything sandblasted as much as we could. All manifolds nicely painted with high heat paint. Engines painted. We got a new starter in it. And I think that's about it. We changed to an alternator from the generator to a one-wire GM alternator. All you gotta do is get that thing spinning, put it to your battery, and it's way better than stupid generator with voltage regulators and all that stuff. Other than that, I'm just trying to get gauges hooked up to it right now so that we can keep an eye on the oil pressure and the engine temp.
Cool. Okay. No fuck words in the video. You demonetize it.
Like we're making lots of money off of this channel?
Oh yeah, I'm making tons of money. Anyway, this is just about ready to go. What's left? You gotta connect up some hooses.
That's done. Fuel line's hooked up. This is hooked up.
Your oil
I'd like to
sensor?
get something to sort of mount this so that it's just not flapping in the breeze here. Maybe like some sort of bracket coming off of this. We got more of that steel, so we could use a piece of that. A little bit of overkill, but just to make it look somewhat more good.
Yeah, let's just
flip this over. My favorite tool, that channel lock.
A few moments later.
So we pulled the engine outside on the stand. We were just kind of getting it ready to give it a fire test. We've mounted the rad with brackets to the engine mounts. We've got good clearance on the fan.
You know where he keeps electrical tape?
Now we filled the rad with some water. Connected fuel to it. We have an electric fuel pump here that's going to be running the engine. And got our battery right there. We're going to strap that to the stand somehow. And then we'll see if we can fire this. We are trying to get it started.
Timing's off.
Need 2 sets of hands here.
Yeah, give her a bit of choke as I do this.
Okay.
Just gotta pull these up a little bit. Not a lot, just a little.
You don't think we're getting fuel?
I don't think we're getting fuel into those. Fuck off. Pour fuel in there. Pour fuel in there. Aim it right.
It's the only way one's supposed to do it. It's going in. There's nowhere for else to go.
Right down the throat of it.
God damn it!
Nope. Nose. You want to
Is the
operate
pump on?
You want to operate the
Darren?
the chokes?
Oh, here you
Camera's almost dead. So.
You can get over there and make it look like you're doing something. A little bit more advance on the. turn it.
Did you advance it or
Yeah,
retard it?
Well, we went.
It's retarded. The other way.
So go back.
We can we
No,
counterclockwise?
go. Keep going that way a bit, just a bit more. Dude. No, the other way.
That's the way you told me to go.
No, go the other way. A little bit, yeah.
It's fine like
Just let 'em move.
that. A little bit more.